Say hi, Cookie. Hi, Cookie. Hi, Cookie. Hi, Cookie. Look at this guy. Cookie have an eyebrow, a pink eyebrows. Why do you have a pink eyebrows? Is it inborn? Good girl. Hi guys, so I'm here at Vandarah. If you guys couldn't see, it's so pretty. Okay guys, so I'm here for a facial, and later on I'm gonna take you guys along with me on how they do it, and I'm so excited because this will be the first time that I'm gonna be doing facials, and yeah, I'm so excited. And it's so quiet here, so calming, and it's the perfect time to relax. So yeah, oh, let me show you guys around since I'm the only one here. I wanted to take this opportunity to show you guys the place. Now look at this thing. They have here this couch where you can sit and relax. This is so pretty. I want this. Okay guys, so you can sit right here. It's so cozy. And right there, they have this couch. No, it's not a couch. And I just have my bag right there and there.
With a couple of high pressure sex cells behind it. Behind it, and a few pockets of low pressure, and a fairly heavy band of rain showers and snow all the way from the eastern portions of Montana down to western sections of Nevada, and of course the massive high picking up warm moist air from the south, bringing it northward. So when the two masses collide over Kansas, we are looking for some precipitation, and we'll talk about that in a moment.
Okay guys, so I ordered chocolate cookie crunch and now let's have a taste. And later on, you guys, I'm gonna tour you around and maybe I'm gonna try out some clothing items right there. They have a lot of products and yeah. Hi guys, so I'm here at Vandara and I'm with Ate Kulin. Hi! And you guys, if you watched my live before, you have heard Ate Kulin's song and she's a great singer, you guys, and she will be having her own what? And she will be having her own YouTube channel very okay guys, so first what we ordered, ano ba yung order natin?
Hazel mocha.
Hazel mocha.
Coffee based.
Okay guys, so what I ordered is chocolate cookie crunch and it tastes so good. Also it has marshmallow right there. It's super yummy. Also Ate Kulin and I ordered cookies. This is from Enzo and this is their cookies and cream. Shall we open the cookie? I'm so excited. You guys know I love cookies. So this is what the cookie looks like and it has Hershey's. Yes, there's a Hershey right there. It has Oreo and so much stuff. Let me have a taste. That I have right now with me is my wallet right here and also my camera, and let me show you what I have inside. So I have my Peripera Air Ink Velvet in number 6. Next thing that I have is my contact lens case, and this is my Fresh Breath Drops. This is in the flavor Spearmint. Then I have my cards, check and show. So that's all I have inside my bag. This cafe is Beauty and the Beast themed, and you guys, I love their table. It's so pretty, and I love the fact that they also have this like rose stuff, and it's super cute. Also guys, check this out. It's so pretty, and this mirror though, I love it. I want one in my room just because it's so pretty. It's so pretty, you guys. Here and check out these glasses. Later on I'm gonna try them out. They look so pretty. And you guys, they also carry glossier products, ColourPop. Oh yeah, they have ColourPop. And right here they also have what brand? Oh, it's still ColourPop. And they also have the Chateau La Biotte. And here they have the glossier priming moisturizer. So yeah. glossierbalm.com, and they also have the boy brows. And right here they have the Glossier Milky Jelly Cleanser. This is a conditioning face wash. I kind of want to try it. Is it good? Let me know, you guys. And they also have the complete like cloud paint. Cookie. Okay, so they also carry a lot of clothing items right here, and I'm so excited to try them out. I've actually had a t-shirt from this brand. This is from the brand called zoom in. So this is from the brand called Maneuver. They sent me a t-shirt which I will be showing, and maybe I'll insert some clip, and it basically says Whyyen. Super cute. And also they have this hoodie. I like hoodies. This is actually very cute, like this one. Another touch. Then in here they also have more dresses, and this one is super cute. Like, I so love the color. Yeah, I think it's so cute. Yes. They have skirts as well.
Winds southerly at about 15 with gusts of 25 miles an hour. Barometric pressure 30.00 and is rising. And no precipitation. We're about a half inch behind, correction, half inch ahead for the year, and 1 53/100ths behind for the year so far. We'll be looking for a little bit of a change tomorrow, and of course the possibility of some scattered showers. Today, of course, there's nothing showing up on the radar. However, the satellite photo was pretty interesting for the western half of the U.S. Rain showers and thunder showers along that frontal system, and that wide band of fairly heavy snows. Now, what will happen each time that you see the frontal system?
Okay, so Ate Colleen is gonna try out this gown, and this retails for 90,000 pesos, which is quite expensive, but it's so pretty. Like, look at those details. This was actually worn by Gladys Reyes, so excited. Eyebrows? Why do you have pink eyebrows? Why is your eyebrows pink? She's a sweet, sweet girl. She's so sweet.